In a previous video, we have created a course in Thinkific, and with artificial intelligence, it has automatically created some chapters for us. Now we'll start to have a deeper look at these chapters and see how we can populate them with actual educational content to share with our audience. So once you go to your course, you will again have a step-by-step guide on how to create your business course, and everything is very simple to follow. It starts, of course, by adding a lesson. So we have an agenda that starts with a welcoming section before going deeper uh, in the in the different parts of our course, and it starts by adding a new lesson. So here we can see the different lessons we have and add new lessons. We can edit our curriculum at any time by creating, editing, and managing our course, adding chapters and lessons. Then we can choose the lesson type. So here we have different types of lessons. We have video lessons, we have text lessons, we have PDF lessons, we have quizzes, audio, downloads, multimedia, survey, presentation, assignment, and live Zoom, which is more for coaching. So the best advice I have here is to try to make a mix of all these types of lessons. Most of my business courses consist mostly of video, and at the end of each section a quiz to make kind of the course interactive and let the um, students check their knowledge. Um, so this is what I mostly have in my own courses. And to create these videos, I create a presentation and then I record video courses of my presentation chapter by chapter that I then add to my business course. Sometimes I add some downloadable PDF, for example, to have a glossary of terms used in the business course. But of course, it all depends on the type of skills you are sharing. You will probably have different content. And if possible, again, to make the course more interactive, uh, at some point in your lessons, add some exercises for the students to do. So try to guide them into trying the exercise alone, and then in your lessons correct the exercises and show them the right way to do it, when applicable, of course, to the type of skills you are trying to share. So you have plenty of lessons types that you can add to your course, and you can even unlock more lessons types by upgrading your Thinkific account and add exams. So it is pretty flexible, and it really got everything you need to share a full business course with your audience. So this is for the curriculum, where again you have different sections of your course. For example, my course on sharing knowledge online starts with a welcome and course overview. So I will add a content later, and in another video you will actually see this. And then creating and engaging course content. This is another lesson. Then a lesson about marketing the course, a lesson about sales strategies for success, and finally a lesson about building a community. So you have everything you need to be set for success. And usually what I do, I add a chapter conclusion, in which conclusion I recapitulate everything we saw in the course and add a final quiz which has different questions than the quizzes at the end of each section, to kind of recapitulate if the student has really learned everything. Then, still part of a course, we have different settings that we can set for the course. So we can make it private, hidden, we can disable text copying, we can delete it, and importantly, add image and description. So here it's very important for SEO, search engine optimization, to put a good description and an image that will resonate with your audience, that will make them want to take on your course. And if you make it for a fee, to make sure they will want to pay for it. You can also customize the course player appearance. So when your student will start playing the lessons, for example, playing the video of your course, you can change the colors, add a logo, and you can guide the progress and completion of your course with autoplays, meaning that at the end of a video, the next video automatically starts playing, and that a minimum completion percentage is required for the students to complete the lesson. So you have plenty of options, and here it's something kind of important. If you want to better market your course, encourage your students to share completion of the course, and maybe get their friends to also take the course. So you have plenty of settings here to tailor your course and kind of market it. Then the pricing section. Pricing is, of course, always something a little difficult. So maybe I will make a full video about that, about how to price a course, because especially when you are new to the subject, you have no idea. So you can share it for free, offer free content to your subscribers. You can make it a one-time payment. You can make it a subscription membership or a monthly payment plan. So this depends on your strategy, on your global strategy. So maybe you have more than one course. You might want, for example, to have an introduction course for free to get kind of students to know you, and then have other course for which you have to pay, some coaching for which subscription is necessary, and eventually a monthly payment plan again if you do some kind of coaching and of recurring communication with your students. Then, when your course will be ready, it will be very important to create an amazing landing page. The landing page is the sales page of your course. So here you will have to adapt this landing page to better sell your course as best as possible. And finally, the publishing section. So right now we're in a draft. I haven't put anything. I will put stuff later. Then you can offer pre-order. So this is only, of course, if you already have a community, they can pre-order. If you don't have a community, there is no point. And finally, you can publish once your course is ready, so anyone can purchase it, enroll in, and get there. And yeah, if you anticipate a large number of signups at launch, which is what I wish you, best is to reach out to them so they can better tailor your expertise. So in the next video, we will go deeper into the course creation in Thinkific.